you go use it.
So just go with anyone. Go with anyone. This one will be very fast. Like yeah, just show it to them. Okay. It doesn't really matter. Put it up. Put it up here.
Yeah.
Face it up. Just face it up. Face it up. Fine. So this is 4. This is the 4 of 4 of spades, right? I'll be very slow. You pick the card. 4 of spades, right? Watch me. Now touch this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Take it out. See my hand.
Jesus.
Do you know why it changed? You know why? It just is an illusion. You can't see the illusion, but if you watch, look at this card very well. Look at it. If I shake it very fast. It changes. Now it's
Wait, now wait.
How did it change from diamond to
No, it's at the rate.
Because right on my guy. Just touch anyone. Touch any card. Touch. Fine. We open it. Hold it. Fine. So that card is called the magic card. That one we used to find this card. Just pick anyone you want to pick. Pick anyone. Just pick it out. I'm not going to see it. Show it to the camera. Show it to the camera. Fine. You've seen it. Just put it up. No. Previous. So we are going to shuffle it very well. Now you can do that. Shuffle it very. Don't forget your card. You know the number, you know the shape, you know the color, right? So you're not satisfied with that, and shuffle it very well, right? And so now I'll shuffle it again if you want me. So I'll show you the first card up. You tell me if that is your card. Is this the card? It's not the card. And the last card down. Is it this? So the card is not the first card, or it's not the last card down. But can I have that one? So we use this card. This card, we use it to look for that your card. So now what will happen is I'll be scrolling down this way. Just tell me to stop anywhere you want me to stop. Right? Just tell me to stop anywhere you want me to stop. Anywhere you want me to stop. Exactly here. So watch. He stopped there and we push it in yourself. Push it in. Push it. Fine. You pushed it in yourself. You stop. It's a free choice, independent choice. Right? You still remember your card. Fine. Could you watch? Where did we stop? So we stopped exactly here. Can you take the card out? And this was the card you stopped at. Bring it out. Was that your card? Fuck! You get that one guy. The truth is, you don't need to. What? This is a 10, right? Do you know why I was able to get? Because it's an illusion. You are seeing it, it's not real, but I see it's real. Something like this. Watch this 10. I just need to keep shaking it. I just keep shaking it. It changes now. No, that lie. That's the lie. Who's everything? He shake the card. It is out to 3. The lie. From what is this is 3, right? I'll close that 3 very well. I'll put that 3 here. Bring the 3 out carefully. Now see my mouth. No! Jesus! Everything is possible. Everything is not possible. Everything. Guy. Do again. Yeah, do again. I will use your this time around this foam. Focus on them. So this time around this foam, I want to put one. I'll put one in my hand. Can you just hold it? Hold it. How many foams are there? To be very sure. Show it to them. 2. So let me have one. So this is one foam and this is another one. So who should I use? Anybody? Use them. Okay, I would like to put it in your hand. No, hold it. Hold it. So yeah, so once I put the foam in your hand, so I'll put one to this hand. Yeah. I'll put one here, right? One here. And let me have some. So once I put this one here, you close it very fast. You just have to be very fast.
Close your hand fast.
You don't close it by the So very wait, calm down. He wants to rush it. He wants to. No, just calm down. You don't need to just calm down. You have to relax. So you close it very fast. You get right.
Once you put it,
yeah, very fast. Disappear. Right? So fast. Close it fast. Now watch. I rub my hand carefully. Turn your hand. Just turn your hand. Fine. I rub this one. Watch. Do you know what happens? See. Hey. My own going. But that's not the most important part. See the most important part of this thing. How many phones were there? 1. Watch. Open it. You never see card, no? Yeah, too many. Okay. No one the phone. Don't show that TV. You're YouTuber.